Guys, welcome to my vlog. I am here at the goat house. Let's clean the goat house daily. It's good for them. Let's go guys. Let's see our goat and Carabao. Aming Carabao. Dito na sa Ayan, yung kambing namin kumakain. Hello! Ayan. Our next task for today will be harvesting cacao. Let's go guys!
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it.
Welcome to our cacao plantation.
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake, greatest mistake.
Did you know guys, what is the benefits of the cacao to our body? Cacao is a rich source of antioxidants which can help protect our cells from damage. And health benefits of the cacao can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, which can benefit heart health. And another one is the brain function. Cacao contains a flavonoid that may improve cognitive function and memory. Cacao is important to consume in moderation as it can be high in calories and fats. And that's all for today's cacao health benefits overview. Thank you and God bless.